Well, political viewfinder. This na the bridge wey they try for make na the first abutment. If you know about abutment, now that first pillar wey they put before ever they go inside the bridge now. Now they dig so now before ever they begin build other pillar there. The first abutment wey they put before they begin build that pillar there. So now like that today for now, the machine they excavate. Once they excavate, the machine they dig the hole. So if you see the development, it's not between Pendembu and one town in Kailahun, this way they call Manowa. So Manowa, between Manowa and Pendembu, one a Moa River, eh? So now the Moa River, this where they connect between Manowa and Pendembu. So as I talk to you now, the machine they excavate now. So this is not the political viewfinder part of this under the SLPP network. By the CEO, DJ Force. This is not from Franco, the political, the Mago to political viewfinder. So we give the development, and this is the old decision now, hold on dig. I can make you see, I don't dig that rock will go for blast now, so that rock limit is now they try for clear now for local blast now, we begin put concrete for go up. So now made in charge of this area. You don't see, see the river. It's not the river. You see there 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Yeah, now where they before. If you see them, and then at the pier them, I'm not going to put the pier. You see them. Let's see they don't fix the organ now. That season last. So don't know. Now don't can ya. With the police abutment from the top of the ring. You just see them. So don't dig them. You just see the height and the machine is. So this is the development new president will bring before the people to the people, from the people to the city to the people, from everybody to anybody. So the order. Thank you. Bye bye.